Now, how do you change the Yahoo Mail notification sound on Android? So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So a lot of people use the Yahoo Mail app, and there you get to make some changes to the settings, right? Like you can play around with the notifications right in here, but you don't really have the ability to change the sound. And that's a bit of a problem, right? So if you're using this like Yahoo Mail app to sign in with your Yahoo Mail account, then you don't really have any option to change the sound. But we can use a different mail client to sign in with our Yahoo Mail and have different options, including the change for notification sound. For example, Gmail is an option which you probably associate with just Google account, but not many people know that you can get inside of the Gmail app, tap on your account and click on add another one, and in there you can sign in with Yahoo Mail. And you can literally sign in with the same credentials, same everything really, right? So it kind of tries to push you to the other app, but you can literally just sign in here and you can make that work. So you can use Yahoo Mail mailbox inside of the Gmail interface. And the whole point of this is that now that we are in here, we can go to the settings of our Gmail, and in there we have the ability to make changes to the notifications. So you can literally change the notification sound for incoming emails, but as you can see, only within this client, not with another one. So that's something I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future videos and guides like this one.